Hey guys, it's Andrew here, and today I'm trying to do some smallmouth bass fishing. Now, I'm kind of stuck fishing under a bridge today just because it's pouring rain out. You know, Weatherman was not right about today. It says it's supposed to be only cloudy. Doesn't really look like clouds to me as it's pouring rain. But I'm fishing underneath the bridge, so it shouldn't really matter to me that much. Hey guys, I decided to put on a trout magnet to catch some small fish. And I hooked up with this beautiful looking sunfish. So I don't see if you guys see this or not, but very nice looking sunfish. Time for the release. I also saw a few chain pickerel around this water, so hopefully I can hook up with some later. Alright guys, on the good news, the rain finally subsided. No more rain. I can finally start filming. Hope you guys have been getting a good view of these catches so far. Keep on, like, I don't know the perfect angle for the GoPro on my hat, so just playing around with it for a while. So basically, just casting. Now, I'm praying there's a few stripers in here just because it's always fun to catch a striper this far up in fresh water. But you never know. That's the beauty of fishing. So I mean, to be honest, I wasn't even gonna fish this area. Just like I don't know, I just had a gut feeling. Just shows the fishing. Ooh, that's a big one. Fishing could be just all about just getting lucky. It's another white perch, guys. Now, I don't know why my drag's going crazy on this guy. This is I'm finding it more upstream. Good fucking pliers. Supposedly these fish are great to eat, but yeah, not my lifestyle. The only fish I'll consider eating would be those stocked trout that are stocked in areas that basically will not survive the summer. So I mean, that's like conscious for eating. Just using a small number 2 spinner. So when this all started, I just trying to actually catch some smallmouth here, to be honest with you. Haven't really bass fished in a while because recent weather and recent work. But you know what? This works out perfectly. Ooh, there's another one. Beautiful fish, use white perch. This one's pooping actually too. Yum. This is a deep hook, but thank God I debarb everything, and there's only 2 hooks in this guy, so it should normally be correct. So I'm just casting farther upstream, maybe like seeing a few go up there. So like, I kind of pinpointed the area. They're basically in a 4-foot square. I might have caught them all, guys. Ooh, there's one that ran. Just to drag a little bit. Nuts. So if the normal shake and bake doesn't work, I just slow it down a little bit, then shake and bake again. Alright, so I think they're actually a little bit this way. More in the bomb. Alright. Guys, gonna try to catch a few more, then we're gonna call it a day. I mean, it did pour recently, and it's supposed to supposedly pour again, so even though this is great fishing, kind of don't want to get caught up in it for the second time. Alright, so the fish is a little bit downstream. I think they're somewhere in between where my tackle box was in the first place and honestly 4 feet up. There's a knot in this. Go slow, move it down. Oh, there's one. Guys, I'm quickly grab my pliers. Left the net over there. Just going by the horns. Oh, this whitefish is over there, guys. Stuck. I mean, it's back out now, but it's in between the rock area. Ooh, they're swiping at it still. There's the big one, guys. I'm not sure if this guy's big, but he's fighting hard. I'm barely on the lip, guys. Easy, quick release. Might switch to a big lure soon. Hopefully there's like one big striper in here. There we go. Alright guys, I'm going to be calling quits catching these little perch. Gonna try to catch one big guy. Oh, right out himself. Gonna try to catch one big guy and then call it a day. See you guys. Alright guys, I tied on the big Mr. Twisty white jig head. Hoping that something's big on my body. It's gonna be my last cast for the day. You know, praying for the best. I'm only calling it a day because it's about to pour again and we caught in the rain once, not aiming to be caught in it again. Alright guys, that was the second to last cast. This is going to be the last. Gonna give it like 10 seconds to fully sink. Now, I don't really like jig it, I just slowly retrieve it. There's a rock. Common catch. Alright guys, didn't catch anything. that will be my last catch of the day. If you enjoy the video, please give me a like. And if you like my content or are curious about my future content, please subscribe. Catch you guys.